Hi everyone, welcome to the hashtag Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge. It's a monthly Birthstone jewelry collab challenge. So for the month of April, and this is hosted by Pirate Pretties, the month of April our color is diamond, our metal type is gold or silver. I use silver. Project type is bracelet. I have 2 bracelets, and fun element is vintage or crosses. I have 1 cross on one of the bracelets, and the clasp on that same bracelet is sort of a vintage feel to it, I think. So you'll have to let me know what you think. So let me show you what I made. The first bracelet I made is a bead weaving one. It is a simple flat spiral stitch. I use silver pearls, but the diamond comes in these black diamond zillion bicone 4mm. These are Swarovski. Yeah, that Austrian company that doesn't sell crafting supplies anymore. These are 8mm silver pearls. I went with pearls because I thought that gave it a vintage feel too, sort of, because, you know, pearls kind of go in and out of style. And I wanted to use like a matte gray seed bead, but the only ones I had, that's all I had left of them, so it wasn't enough. So I went through my stash and I found these midnight metallic round. They're Toho 11Os, and I had enough of them, so I thought the dark blue went with it well. And then these are the 4mm bicones accenting the edge. And then at the back, I don't usually put a jump ring on. I usually hook right to the clasp, but in this case, this clasp would be like sideways, so I put the jump ring in to keep it this way. And then I have this little cross, which I got from, oh boy, it's been a long time. A lot of this I bought a long time ago. These were cousin designs by me, and it had a mixture of piece doves, wings, and I think 2 crosses, and I used one before for, I think, my granddaughter's first communion, something like that. And did I just twist that? I did. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's about a 7¼ inch bracelet, I think, maybe 7½. And I think it's really pretty. It turned out well. I like it. This is one of the easier bead weaving stitches if you're ever interested in doing bead weaving. And there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube already. Jill Wiseman did one like 9 years ago. There's another lady that did one 7 years ago. And then there's one, I think she's in England, UK. She did one in 2019. And then I saw that Opal and Orchid Jewelry has one from, I don't know, a year or something ago, or maybe not even that long. So I am not going to do a tutorial on it. There's enough out there, and it's a really pretty easy stitch. The trickiest thing is the one I watched from the UK. She didn't talk about reinforcing here. I went through these last seed beads hooking onto the actually oval jump rings 3 times to make sure that was secure. Now that is a weak point. The oval jump ring could come off, but like I said, the clasp wasn't laying right, and it is a box clasp, so I probably have it upside down now. I do. Let me put it this way, because this is the way I worked. I'm right-handed. And also I put the oval jump ring on so I could add the cross, because I didn't want to add it right onto the weaving. So there you go. That's it, laid out. And then the other one is just a very simple, oh, and that box clasp, by the way, is one of these, oops, Elegant Elements Elite Components, made in Germany. It's a German clasp with rhodium finish. I think I got it at, yeah, Beadaholic, but years ago. Years. This has been in my stash for quite a long time. It was in this little container. So that's out of my stash now. Yay! Okay. And the second bracelet is Herkimer Quartz, which is thought to be a diamond, but it's not. And one second, I forgot to bring that here. Okay, before I go on to that, I forgot to tell you, I used Wildfire 0.06 inch 10-pound strands. And I like that. It's in these, I think they call it smoke. I don't see that on here, but it's the black color. They now have different other colors too, which amazes me. Anyway, I was talking about Herkimer diamonds, or Herkimer quartz more appropriately. And this is the strand I had. These are actually just rough nuggets, and they were from jewelrymaker.com back in 2014. 40 carats Herkimer Quartz graduated irregular rough nuggets, 2014. Gems of Distinction is the card they give you, and they put it in this little thing, and it's got, so they were cut in India, but the origin of Herkimer Quartz is New York. The only place you can find it, and most of the time it's known for its clear diamond-like quality. This is a better piece that's not off the strand. I got it somewhere else. And the double points. Now some of these had some double points too, but they're rough. They're pretty rough nuggets. So I don't know if you can see that. So I didn't use this because I don't have much of it. I only have a few pieces left of it. And then I was going to use real black diamond, but I just wasn't in the mood for getting out all my sterling silver stuff. So this is real black diamond. Tiny rough pieces. It is obviously not gem quality, but because it's diamond, it's actually still very expensive. So I haven't used it yet, and I have actually a couple strands. There's actually a green diamond, and here's another. This is black diamond too, but it's more gray. All right, and that one came in a box because it's, yeah, a little more money. But I didn't want to go that route. So then what I did is I added in some of the black diamond Swarovski bicones again, and also just some 3mm silver plated brass round beads from Fire Mountain, one of my favorite stores. And I tried to get it so that the larger nuggets were here in the front, but it's just a simple bracelet. The Lobster Clasp came from BB Craft in this little thing. I know I'm going to be ending up using all the bright silver ones first. Anyway, again, I used one oval jump ring for the latch to clasp onto, and I just used soft flex crimp tubes in sterling. They don't come in silver plated. I had this what do you call this? Like a multi-pack. I've used all the copper ones up, but there was silver, copper, gold plated, I think, and then this is darkened sterling. So 2mm crimp tubes, and the oval jump rings were 18 gauge 6x4mm from Fire Mountain. And yeah, I just strung it on. I didn't bring that over. It's an Econoflex wire from Softflex in steel gray. It's a cheaper wire. And I did 5 of the Herkimer Quartz, then a little silver round, the black diamond crystal, and the silver round, and then 5, and then kept going all the way around. And this one is about, I think it's just base 7 inch. So, and it just, I'll lay it out for you too, because it's nice and sparkly. So those are my 2 projects for Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge. I hope they're okay. I didn't go, you know, gung-ho and do everything this time. I didn't make any earrings, which is unusual for me. I'll have to do that. So, yeah, that's my diamond, is the black diamonds, and also the Herkimer Quartz, which is sometimes considered to be a diamond, even though it's really not. I hope that's okay, and I hope you enjoyed, and please do go check out everyone else using the hashtag. I'm not going to link everyone. I know I saw that Metal Scrappin' Chick already has hers up, so do check her out too. Hi, Kim. And of course, Pirate Pretties is our host. Now, that we don't have a set time to post, so people may be posting all throughout the day, so check back periodically and just see whatever. I really like how this lays. I'm sorry, I just, actually I like both of them, how they lay. But isn't that pretty? Have it over too far. It just has a little, it's dainty, but it has a little bit of sparkle all the way around, both from the Herkimer Quartz and the Black Diamond Swarovski. And then of course this one lays beautifully, and if you wanted to, let me latch it. I'll see if I can do it myself. I don't know, I'm not real good at this because I have a little bit of arthritis and it's just difficult for me to do this. And also, one word of advice, don't do this in the dark. Especially when you get to the endings, because it's real easy to miss some of the seed beads going back through. Doesn't that lay pretty? But you could also wear it like this because it has a pretty clasp and the little cross dangle. See? Really cute. Sorry for the glare. There's some little rhinestones in the bow. Yeah. It lays nice. It feels nice on your skin. I really like this weave. It's one of my favorites. Right angle weave is one of my other favorites. Oops, of course I put it upside down. And there is going to be a right and a wrong side with this clasp. So if you turn it over, and same when you're weaving, you need to make sure that you don't twist it, because it'll mess up your final project. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.